Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Yellowstone bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, go to your default browser and search Yellowstone Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find Login under Yellowstone Bank. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username. In case you forgot your username, you can click here. If not, then enter your username and click continue and enter your password. If you forgot your password, click here. You can also sign in with passkey, or you can simply enter username and password and simply sign in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.